Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you my dear friends and my all lovely subscribers? If you looking for a fresh and stylish short haircut that enhance your beauty and confidence, whether you are in your 40s, 50s or 60s, short hairstyle can be a game changer. In this video, we will explore the most elegant and easy to maintain short haircuts and hairstyle for mature women. Short haircuts and hairstyle are not just trendy, they are also practical. They add volume, highlight facial features, and require minimal maintenance. Let's dive into some of the best short hairstyle for mature women. First up, the classic Pixie cut. A timeless choice. This hairstyle is perfect for women who love a bold yet elegant look. It's easy to style and adds a youthful touch to your overall appearance. Best for women with fine hair who want a voluminous look. Next, we have the layered bob, a sophisticated style that works for every face shape. The layers add movement and volume, making it a great option for women with thinning hair, best for oval and round face shapes. The next is soft wavy lob. If you want something versatile, the soft wavy bob is a fantastic choice. It's long enough to style differently but short enough for easy maintenance. Best for women who want a youthful modern look. Which style do you love the most? Comment below. And after watching the video, you must comment the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. Please share my video with your friend and your family because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. If you love fashion, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share my videos with your friends and your family and also like my video. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.